Good morning, everyone. Today is May 5, 2025 at 10:32 in the morning. Kanina, nag-try na kaming magawa ng content pero binura ko siya kasi hindi siya maganda. It's a Monday morning and wala kaming event today, wala kaming activity today. Magpapahinga lang kami ni Kuya Jazz.
And
amazing. So, what is our content for today? I met someone who owns a startup business, a small business, a small cake business. And I'm really happy to say na we clicked. Tapos, yesterday, she went here to give me a bunch of her cakes to try out. And I hope and she asked us if we can give her feedback about the cakes that we're going to try. So we hope na you like it. See you guys later. Ayan guys. So itong friend ko na to, I will not say her name anymore. Sabi niya kasi she would like to keep it anonymous. She just opened her online shop and it's called Bake Joy. Kita niyo ba? Saan nakikita niyo? See.
it's too light.
Here it is. Ano yun? Baker Joy. And she offers small cakes. Ito nung nakalagay sa bio niya. At basahin mo nga to.
At our home-based micro bakery, we craft mini cakes, cupcakes, cookies, loaves and bars, each treat thoughtfully baked with heart and purpose. Our mission is simple: to spread joy and bring a smile to anyone who needs a little sweetness in the day.
Yan. This page only has 7 followers. Isa na ako doon. Tsaka si Jazz. Because it's a very brand new store, brand new online shop. Right now, she offers mini cakes. So I'll show you one video. Teka lang. Uh-oh. Masarap po.
Edit that.
Yun. Sarap. Tapos, nasa na yun? May init?
Sobra? Steady ko yung fan sa'yo.
Wag maingay. Tapos, she offers ano ba to? Box of 4, 360 pesos. You can choose between 2 flavors. Box of 8, which is 700 pesos. Choose up to 3 flavors. And a box of 12 for 1,020 pesos. Choose up to 4 flavors. Flavors that you can choose from: Choco Overload, Choco Caramel Fudge,
Cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip, black forest, peanut butter, red velvet, ube, lemon, carrot, and funfetti.
Ube. So, tara, let's go. Let's open it. Let's open the goods that she gave. Nagre-reklamo si Jazz, sobrang init daw. So, eto siya. Buksan na natin. Ito ng current packaging.
Yan ang candied carrot.
Binigyan niya tayo ng 4 mini cakes to try. Nakuha ka pala ng fork.
Okay.
Ito.
What should we try first?
Sandali. Ayan po nung 4 flavors na pinadala niya. This is funfetti, carrot, ube, at choco overload. Nung ube daw, hindi na daw niya po nilagay na makapuno. So, plain ube on ube siya. Ito, candied carrots. Siya nung gumawa. Funfetti for kids mostly, and choco overload. Tara, let's try!
You're the best.
What do you want? Let's go ahead and try the funfetti first. Cute ng box, oh. Ang cute ng packaging niya.
Nice
It's
color.
kulay blue. What color is this?
Cyan.
Cyan.
Also known as light blue. Mamango yun. Good.
Okay, come on.
Smells so good. Let's
Ayan ka na naman si Kandong. Bigat-bigat. O, yan.
Cause we're trying. Sarap. You try it.
Paano masarap? Kwento mo, anong lasa?
Lasang rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
Lasang
Ang
lahat.
cute, no? Madami siyang sprinkles, pati sa ilalim. Tapos sa middle, meron din.
Lasang blueberry icing and delicious sprinkles. Actually, I feel like I should rate it 20 out of 10. What do you rate?
Hindi siya sobrang tamis, which is good.
It doesn't taste really sweet, but
Pretension, ano to? Presentation wise, good din siya. Buttery. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung flavor ng cake, pero it's buttery.
it's
Moist. Anak. It's moist.
moisture.
Moist pero heavy. Alam mo yun? Yung kakain ka, akala mo, hindi siya light heavy. Ang bigat niya sa stomach. Pero masarap. Kasi, I can't stop eating kahit na heavy siya sa stomach. I can't stop eating. Sarap.
I cannot resist it.
So right now, we will try the
Choco overload.
Choco Overload. Ayan.
Everything is chocolate.
Bango.
Milk chocolate.
May kaamoy siyang chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar?
Anak, you try.
Okay.
Meron siyang almonds. May nuts. May chocolate chips.
Sarap!
Grabe, oh. Grabe.
Grabe ng sarap.
I
Me,
love this.
me too! I cannot eat too much chocolate.
Hindi siya matamis. Pero alam mo yun, may kalasa siyang cake eh. Sarap ng cake. No icing niya may kalasa. Moist. Pero heavy din. Heavy din siya sa charm. Sarap! Naka-aircon na kami, naka-electric fan na kami ni Pharmacy Jazz. Next, we'll try
Candified carrot.
carrot cake.
Carrot cake. Candied carrot. dried carrot, I think. What will the candied carrot taste like?
May mo muna.
Lasang sweet orange? Lasang sweet orange yung carrot.
Hindi siya lasang carrot. Pero, ano siya?
Sweet orange.
Nung carrot na parang nakaano lang sa water, tapos minatamis, alam mong carrot. Kasi yun yung consistency talaga ng carrot. Hindi na siya crunchy. Kasi nga, na siya, minatamis na.
So, last time I ate a carrot stick.
Try mo. Oh. What do you say? What do you say? Ano? What?
Salad pa.
Hindi. Ano lasa?
Lasang sweet orange yung carrot.
Ayun, cream cheese nung
Cream cheese.
Yung sa lasang carrot cake. Masarap to. Meron siyang lasang cake. Hindi siya lasang carrot. Meron siyang kalasang sikat na parang Filipino rice cake, parang ganon.
Filipino rice cake. Tubig! Ay, kailangan kong tubig!
Ang sarap ng cream cheese.
Bakit ang sarap ng cream cheese? Bakit?
Ay, gusto ko to. Ang sarap niya.
Ang sarap ng cream cheese.
Meron akong iniisip kung anong lasa eh. But I can't stop eating.
Because you love it. Lastly, next up, ube. What?
So, ube on ube. Wala siyang ibang dinagdag. Dati kasi nilalagyan niya ng makapuno.
You try it first.
Bango! Ano sabi mo?
Lasang purple. It tastes so good. It tastes like purple.
Sarap!
Sarap! We can.
Lasang ube cake nung may ube makapuno ng red ribbon.
It tastes like real ube cake, but more detailed.
Sarap, di ba? Lana, tataba na naman ako. Order na naman ako. Ay, meron na naman akong pagkain na o-orderan. Ano
Should
ba to?
I put it in the sink?
Ayun po. Ito po.
Mga sweets.
Rate natin, best to not that best.
Ube?
Hindi, for me ito. Ay!
Ube, 50 out of 10.
Ito pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Yung carrot cake.
Pinaka-favorite ito at saka ito.
Ikaw? Favorite na daw, ube at saka funfetti.
At saka yung carrot cake.
Hindi naman. Ako yun eh. Ito kay Jazz ang favorite niya. Ako ito. Tapos, ito, lasa talagang lasa siyang mamahalin na cake.
It also smells like expensive cake.
No. Pero for me talaga, ito the best. Carrot cake. Sunod chocolate. Sunod ube. Last confetti.
I like the ube. Next up, this one. And then next up, this one.
Ito daw kay Jazz. First daw ube, second ng confetti.
Third, ito. At saka fourth, ito.
Ayun lang guys. So, for your mini cake needs, it's really good for giveaways. For example, birthday or kasal or binyag. You wanted to give something sa mga umattend na hindi masasayang. Big order lang po kayo ng cake. Syempre for bulk orders, may discount. Pero sinabi ko naman po nung price kanina, box of 4, box of 8, and box of 12. Pwede din tong corporate giveaways. For example, you have a team building, meron kayong basta mga meetings na ganyan, order din po kayo. Punta lang po kayo sa Facebook page ni Baker's Joy. Ito po, ulit. And pakisabi lang po na Jaja recommend you for more and more discount. Okay, guys? Ayun lang po, guys. So, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Please don't forget to
like and subscribe and click the bell button. And when you're watching and there's ads, don't skip it.
Bakit?
Because we're making money.
Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye!